Good morning, good morning. We're here in Torrance. We started a project of waterproofing drainage system for a garage. Let me walk around and show you. So we're excavating around the garage, as you can see. It's about 3-4 feet deep. We already applied the first layer of waterproofing. Today we dug around the garage about 3-4 feet deep. We installed a substantial drainage system in the bottom of the trench. I'm walking around to show you. We applied 2 types of waterproofing, surface drainage. Everything is heading to the pump pit. Okay, we're testing the drainage system here in Torrance. Usually when it's raining here in front of the garage, the water would go to the side and then intrude into the garage. Let me show you what we have created. So this whole area was dug about 3-4 feet. This area was dug as well, 3-4 feet. We applied 2 types of waterproofing. Drainage system, you can see the clean outs. Those are for the drainage system. This surface drainage is running here, collecting all the water and diverting all the water into the pump vessel.